Geez, look at it, look at the sky. It's on fire, run, please run. The flames didn't arrive quietly. They came like a wall of sound, heat, and wind, exploding across the Texas Panhandle in a matter of hours. What began as dry brush igniting under extreme winds turned into a massive wildfire emergency, one of the most destructive fire events the region has seen in years. Entire communities were caught off guard as the firestorm raced across open plains, jumping highways, swallowing farmland, and tearing through small towns with terrifying speed. Homes were reduced to ash. Family businesses, some standing for generations, collapsed into twisted metal and blackened foundations. Roads melted and buckled under the heat. Power lines fell. Communication towers went dark. In areas near Amarillo and surrounding rural counties, neighborhoods were evacuated within minutes, not hours. The landscape itself was transformed. Once green grazing land, now a scorched wasteland. Rivers of smoke drifting across the horizon, wildlife fleeing through fire lines, and livestock trapped in burning pastures.
Oh, that's black smoke.
Emergency crews rushed in from across the state. Firefighters battled flames taller than buildings, driven by relentless winds that made containment nearly impossible. Volunteer departments, state fire units, and rescue teams worked side by side, often with limited visibility and failing equipment. Water shortages, blocked roads, and collapsing infrastructure slowed response times. Helicopters and air tankers struggled against turbulent air currents, while ground crews faced suffocating smoke, falling debris, and extreme heat. In some areas, evacuation routes themselves became danger zones, forcing last-minute rescues under fire-lit skies.
He's laying the smoke. This is where he's going to put it, so he's laying the smoke.
Dump it, big bird, dump it.
The economic toll is staggering. Thousands have been displaced, families forced into shelters, churches, schools, and temporary housing. Farmers and ranchers lost entire herds in hours. Cropland that sustained local economies for decades is now unusable. Yet even in the devastation, resilience emerges. Neighbors shelter neighbors, volunteers deliver food, water, and clothing, fire crews return to the front lines after exhaustion and injury. Entire towns are organizing relief networks, rebuilding not just structures but identity, memory, and hope. This is more than a wildfire. This is a human disaster, a climate-driven emergency. A warning. The Texas Panhandle now carries the scars of a catastrophe that will define a generation, but within the ashes, there is also courage, unity, and an unbreakable will to rebuild. Because when everything burns, what remains is the people and their refusal to disappear.